Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can boost a post from within the Facebook Business Manager. So right now I'm currently in the ADigital Business Manager and under the ADigital Ad account. So I'm just going to click the Create button. So this is going to bring you to this screen. So this is where you can create a brand new campaign or you can use an existing one. So I'm going to start by creating a brand new campaign. So it asks you what your marketing objective is. So the marketing objective I'm going to choose is going to be engagement. So this is going to get people engaged with the posts that I'm going to be publishing. So this can include comments, shares, likes. So I'm just going to give the campaign a name. So I'm just going to call it engagement for ADigital. So you've got an option here to create a split test. So this could be for your creative, so your images, your videos, or it could be the placement, so where it's going to be seen, whether it's going to be seen in the Facebook news feed, whether it could be seen on the Instagram news feed. So it would then test which placement performs best. So if you've got a square image, for example, it might perform better on Instagram because that is the native sort of sizing that they have. And there's also an option for budget optimization. So the budget optimization allows you to put a set spend on the entire campaign. Doesn't matter how many ad sets you have. So it doesn't matter who you're targeting, how many different types of people you're targeting. It'll just have one budget across the whole campaign, and Facebook will decide which audience is best to spend the money on. So I'm just going to click budget optimization. So you can set a daily budget or you can set a lifetime budget. So I'm going to keep it simple. A daily budget of £5. So the bid strategy, I'm going to do lowest cost. So this is going to be the lowest cost per engagement that Facebook can possibly do. So I'm just going to press continue. So here is where you can target your audience. So you can create a new audience, or you can, if you've already created some saved audiences, you could use some of those. So what I'm going to do, or you can use a custom audience, so that's based on your Facebook pixel, getting data from your website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to target everybody who lives in the UK, going to be between the age of 18 and 50. For example, I could target men, or I could target women, or I could target all. You could do detailed targeting based on the interests, demographics, or behaviours. So I could target marketing. So I could do it as an interest. It could be there's different, so you could do behaviour, so I could just do marketing as an interest. And there's also suggestions, so Facebook looks at the targeting that you've included and then gives you suggestions of who else you could be targeting on there. So it could be a marketing and a business owner. So you can target by demographics, job titles, interests. So you can also exclude people. So you can exclude people who have specific interests or behaviours. You can also add a connection type, so you can target people who like your page and also have those interests. You could target friends who are people who like your page, or exclude the people who like your page. And it's the same with apps and events. So I'm just going to leave that clear at the moment. So you can do automatic placements where Facebook will automatically recommend and place your ad in the best place and show it to people who are more likely to take the action. So for example, like I said before, if it's a square image, it might perform better on Instagram than if it was in the Facebook feed. Facebook will automatically learn from how your ad is performing and optimize it to get the best results. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit the placements because I don't want to have it on this ad on Instagram, and I don't want to have it in the audience network. So that could be other apps that Facebook has, for example, WhatsApp or other native apps. So I'm just going to turn that one off, and we don't want Messenger on. So I'm just going to have Facebook on. So here's the budget and the schedule. So you can run your ad set continuously starting from when you hit publish, or you can start it with a start date and an end date. So you can run it on a schedule. So if you've got an offer running or an event's coming up, you can specifically have your ad running for a certain amount of time. So because this isn't an offer or an event, I'm just going to run it continuously. So optimizing this ad, I'm going to optimize it for post engagement. So you can do it for impressions, daily unique reach, or post engagement. I want to get the most engagement on this ad, so that's the optimization I'm going to have for my ad delivery. I'm just going to press continue. So up here, you can just give a name for your ad set. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to select the post that I want to boost. So you can look at timeline photos and sort of timeline posts that you've put up on your page. So I've selected this post, which was put up a while ago, about managing messages in Sprout Social. So what I can do here is I can add a call to action button. So this could be learn more, it could be send message, shop now, get quote. So you can ask people to click the button and visit your website. So whereas before this post didn't have a link to the website or any call to action, we can now add one from the ad. So if I just go over to our website, I can add this learn more button about our services. So here it comes up with a little preview of our page name, A Digital, and a service that we provide, so internet marketing services. So now that we've created the ad, we can actually preview the ad. So this is what it will look like on the mobile newsfeed. This is what it'll look like on the desktop newsfeed, and you can go through the different placements of how it'll look on Facebook and how it'll look. You could also send an ad preview to Facebook itself. So you'll be able to, if you've got Facebook app on your phone and you're logged in, you can send this notification to Facebook. And if you then go onto your Facebook app on your phone, you'll have a notification saying that your ad is ready to preview. If you click on that, it will actually show you your ad in your own newsfeed to see how other people will see it and see how it will be shown. So once you're happy with everything and you're happy with the message and how it looks, you can just click the confirm button and that will set your ads running. If you have any questions or would like any help, please don't hesitate to contact us at help@adigital.co.uk.